After experiencing a server timeout issue in League of Legends, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official League of Legends server status page to see if there are any ongoing maintenance or outages. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game client. Close the League of Legends client completely and then restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary issues. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or checking if other online services are functioning properly. If your connection is weak, try resetting your router. Step 4. Disable firewall and antivirus. Sometimes, firewalls or antivirus software can block the game from connecting to the servers. Temporarily disable these programs and then try launching the game again. Remember to re-enable them afterward. Step 5. Reinstall League of Legends. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This can fix corrupted files that may be causing the server timeout error. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the server timeout issue. If problems continue, consider reaching out to League of Legends support for further assistance.